So, Snapchat. What makes Snapchat unique and so successful is that Snapchats are timed. Unlike other text and multimedia messaging platforms, senders can set a time limit for how long receivers can view photos and videos. This can be anywhere from 1 to 10 seconds, after which the message self-destructs. Although this feature makes the service more engaging for users, it also means businesses have a very short window of time to capture customers and effectively deliver their message. Playing off the exclusivity aspect to humanize your business and personally engage with customers, you can use Snapchat in the following ways. Exclusive sales and events. Tell your valued customers about special sales or events, maybe even going so far as to hold insider events just for these people. For instance, a Snapchat invitation-only tasting or tour of brewery, a sale at a boutique, an opening, etc. Share promotions with your valued customers. For example, one froyo business had a great giveaway where they had customers snap a photo of themselves enjoying the shop's froyo. As a reward, participants received a discount code right back via Snapchat. Preview new products. For example, if you are a restaurant, you can preview a new dish you are working on. If you own a clothing store, show them clothing that your store is about to put onto the floor. You can even give customers the opportunity to order or try new items before others can. Offer a behind-the-scenes look at your business. Snapchat can be a really valuable way to showcase behind-the-scenes footage via video or photo by allowing your customers to get a sneak peek into your production process if it's particularly interesting, daily insights into life at your business, bringing your customers closer to your business and making them feel a part of the process. Here are some examples of how brands are using this app. Heineken. At last year's Coachella Festival, Heineken used Snapchat to give tip-offs and clues about surprise gigs. Only people that followed Heineken on Snapchat could access this exclusive content, which, of course, resulted in a lot of new followers. The condition of receiving the clue was that users had to correctly identify the artist in the Snapchat picture. Those who guessed correctly then received a personal Snapchat telling them about the surprise gig. This was a great way to get closer to their followers and reward them with exclusive content. Free people. Another way to strengthen the bond between a brand and its fans is to give them sneak peeks, whether that's behind the scenes or at new collections or previews. Clothing brand Free People uses Snapchat to do just that. They also use it just like any other user, by simply asking fans about their weekend plans and answering any questions they might have. Simple engagement at its finest. Grubhub. Sometimes. Sheer simplicity works just as well as any other form of marketing. Grubhub uses the story feature of Snapchat to post funny photos that lead users to various promotional codes for their online delivery and takeout service. They also run competitions where users are required to snap certain foods or doodles. The Snapchats posted by Grubhub are in no way masterpieces, but this easygoing, humorous way of using Snapchat makes the brand seem human and the user more likely to connect with it. Again, a simple approach from Grubhub that just works.